How can I map true/false to 1, 0 in a Pandas DataFrame? I have a column in Python Pandas DataFrame that has boolean true/false values, but for further calculations I need 1, 0 representation. Is there a quick pandas/numpy way to do that?
A succinct way to convert a single column of Boolean values to a column of integers 1 or 0.
Just multiply your data frame by 1, int.
True is 1 in Python, and likewise false is 0. You should be able to perform any operations you want on them by just treating them as though they were numbers, as they are numbers. So to answer your question, no work necessary, you already have what you are looking for. Note I use is as an English word, not the Python keyword is. True will not be the same object as any random one.
This question specifically mentions a single column, so the currently accepted answer works. However, it doesn't generalize to multiple columns. For those interested in a general solution, use the following. This works for a data frame that contains columns of many different types, regardless of how many are Boolean.